Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. Here we are for another video, and today we are starting with the basics, and that will be creating a script called Hello World, the so famous introduction to game development. And that will come in handy since we will start and see if our project is really connected to Visual Studio. So let's create something here. I already created this in the last tutorial, the asset folder called scripts, and this is where I'll put all my scripts for now. So if you right click here, you can select create, and somewhere here you'll have scripting, mono behavior script, and empty C# script. At this moment I will put mono behavior script and I will call it Hello World without spaces, all looking good just like this. So right here you can already see a preview of the script. Let's try and open it up. You can double click here or put open. Usually this is the most famous way. Visual Studio will open if everything is working as expected. Allow something here, sure. And then here we have it. So you have a small comment here, like you have these two functions. One is start, another is update. And like they are telling you here in the comment, start is called once before the first execution of update after the mono behavior is created, and update is called once per frame. So for our purpose, since we don't want to every frame display the same message, we'll delete this for now, and we will come here and we will use something as Debug.Log. Okay, this is a simple way to send stuff into the Unity editor console. Inside the parentheses, you can use the quote marks and write something as welcome to Plus Equal Hello World. So we have the best of both worlds here. Let's just save this. So you can Control S or come to File and save your script in the more traditional way. Now, if you go to Unity, you need to assign this. First, it's very important to see if this is updated, which is awesome that it is. So our engine is cool. Now we need to assign this to something. Let me just delete this cube and let's call it, if you press F2, you can rename it. I will call it test script cube, just for the fun of it. So I will attach this script to this object. As you can see, the script now is a component in the object, and this means that since the object is in the scene, it will run the script on start, right? So if I would be so kind as to press play, it will compile, and then you see down here we already have welcome to Plus Equal Hello World. So our script is working. If we come to console, you can see it also here. The only difference between this and the update is that the update will do this every frame. So if I have like 60 frames, you will see a lot of message popping out. This is a simple way to do it if it's working, because it will print once and that's all. So that's your first script and your first debug to the console. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did and subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet. I will see you in our next tutorial, probably a more complex one. See you there. Thank you for watching.